Hello. Hello, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, hello, Professor.
Hello. Hello, nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Me too. So, yeah, they are joining. It's raining where I'm now. I'm in Bundang. Many Korean students may know where I am, Bundang, where Bundang is, but many foreign students may not know about Bundang. I found yesterday many came from Europe and East Asia. No, Middle Asia. Yeah. How many? Good afternoon to all of you joining now. What time? Okay. Oh, just a minute. Somebody's in emergency situation. Just a minute. Someone is in emergency situation. Just a minute. Okay. Okay, so I think now I have about 18 students. Yeah, so more I expect to join. Okay, this is the course for introduction to corporate finance. I found yesterday that many of you are junior or seniors, and there are some sophomores, right? Okay, and this course is fully online class. Okay, so every Tuesday and Thursday, we want to meet here on Zoom. Okay, my name is Junwon Lee, and Actually, I now live in Bunda, so maybe I may expect it to go down in the near future to see you guys in person. But for the time being, we're gonna see on June. So, okay. Let me first take a look at your faces. Okay, so I'm fine with yeah the closing your monitor, but this is first class, so yeah, some of you may not may drop this course at this first class, but otherwise, let me see your faces. Okay, so many came from Europe and some East Asian countries. Let me see. Some from Russia and some Germany, Belarusi, Mongol, and some, yeah, Chinese and Vietnamese, Kazakh, some from Kazakhstan, and some from Slovakia, and Uzbekistan. Yeah, so this some from France. Yeah, wow. And some one from Thailand. This is a truly globalized class, right? So nice to meet you again. Okay, and welcome to this course, Introduction to Corporate Finance. Okay. Okay, because today is the first class of this course, so maybe a little bit short, So first of all, we need to greet with each other, right? So I just made a short introduction of myself. If you want to know me further, then you can send email with some questions. Okay, so that I will try to answer any questions. And so rich and new. I understand that many of you guys exchange students from various countries, and many Koreans, we also have many Korean students, and some may have applied for this college from foreign countries. So I think the Sawbridge is really, really nice place where you can exchange your views with people of different backgrounds, which is really important in terms of business and beyond that. Okay, so not just about this course, but also I hope you guys have a lot of chances to talk with each other, okay, on various things, including this corporate finance. The corporate finance is globally so it's kind of a common language. Unlike accounting also is getting more standardized, right? So IFRS, International Financial Standard Reporting. But finance is based on economics. Finance is also very international, and if you have a very firm understanding and the concept of finance, then you can apply your understanding and concepts everywhere, wherever you are. Okay, so pretty international knowledge and the concept. Okay, developed by many renowned people all over the place. So I think finance is very maybe fit you or any of you who want to be globally developing yourself. And the finance, yeah, what is finance? We want to talk about finance as an introduction to finance during this course. So I hope you guys have your own definition of finance, okay? Not just follow the knowledge in the textbook, but try to establish your own definition of finance, because finance has very many different branches. Okay, so you can't like lawyers, you like law. Law is pretty pretty broad, but you can see if you have some specific issues, then you need to go to some specific specialized lawyers. Likewise, finance also could be very specialized. So I hope during this course, Introduction to Corporate Finance, I hope you guys have some kind of a taste of finance and try to have some chance to which area you want to seek further. Okay. So yeah, I hope I can this course could be helpful with you finding or defining the finance. Okay. Okay. Your own definition of finance. Okay, so what is finance? We are studying. we are going to study the finance, but this question is a little bit premature, right? What is finance when we start studying finance, right? But anyway, I think you guys may read some articles related to finance or business, whether you are consciously understanding of what finance is about. I think you guys may have some vague understanding of what finance is, right? So I just like to know your basic kind of understanding of finance. May I ask Clara? Clara, oh, Clara.
Hello, Professor.
Yeah, nice to meet you. You're from
France.
Oh, you're from France.
Yeah.
Which part of France?
Strasbourg.
Sorry?
Strasbourg, like the east of France.
Ah, okay. Okay, I know only 5 cities in France.
So, it's next to Germany.
Ah, so then you may also speak German?
A little bit, yeah.
Okay. Okay, so nice to meet you again. What's your definition of finance? Do you have any understanding of finance is about?
Not really, but like finance is obviously about, it's related to money and to how you manage the use of money.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah. So finance is all about raising, managing, and yeah, raising and managing money, right? And in terms of risk and return. So exactly, yeah. So finance is all about how you effectively and efficiently manage money for the sake of shareholders. I mean, for the sake of investors and other stakeholders, right? So that the whole world could be more more fluent in terms of what we need in this civilized world. Okay, maybe a little bit sounds very philosophical, but anyway, the finance is not just about something greedy or someone. I mean, you may heard of some bankers with a very deep pockets, even if some. I mean, you may. I think you guys mostly most of you guys born. Yeah, 2008, 2008 or 2008. You guys were just yeah, pretty young, right? So the financial crisis in 2008, there was a big financial crisis stemming from the U.S. And even after, even if the financial crisis was actually caused by many great bankers, the many CEOs of big investment banks has really deep pockets of bonuses, right? So sometimes there is some moral hazard in the finance world, but if you ask what finance is really worth for the world, I think finance could make your dream come true in some sense. Okay, so that's why we have some venture capital and angel capital and angel investors, right? So finance could, in a good way, make your dream come true if you have a really good one, right? If you have something that attracts many investors and yeah, so that could be one definition of a finance. Okay. Why do you study corporate finance? Well, the obvious answer is that because this is compulsory course, right? But I think you may have your own reason for studying corporate finance. How about, may I ask, Jongin Park, Park Jongin?
Yes, also.
Okay, nice to meet you. You are Korean students, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, so nice to meet you again. So this is a compulsory course, but I think you may have your reason to study corporate finance. Do you have any reason why you study corporate finance? If any.
Because it's core subject, so I need to take this.
Sorry?
Because it is my core
Oh, okay.
subject, so I need to take it.
Yeah. Pretty obvious. Yeah. Hello, hello, Martin. Martin Jerome.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. Your background is in sun setting.
Yeah. I like the color. So
where are you?
I'm in my bed. I'm in my my house. Like.
Are you in your house? So this background is natural?
I'm in Korea.
You're in Korea. Sorry.
Yeah, but I'm not in the school.
Oh, okay. So you're from
France.
Sorry?
France.
France. Oh, France. Okay, France. Sorry. Nice to meet you again. Martin, Okay, so you are exchange students from France, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, why do you study corporate finance? What do you expect, or what do you expect from this course, corporate finance?
That's a good question. I don't have really expectation. Like, I don't want to put too much pressure on you, so it's okay about that. And what did I choose this course? I don't really know. I mean, the subject was cool. If I'm right, I've already studied corporate finance, so I wanted to go further on this subject.
Okay, so you sounds like having some basic understanding of corporate finance, right? So then, specifically, how further do you want to go into? So I mean, do you have any specific areas you want to go further?
No, just an overall observation and a concrete learning on the subject.
Okay, I see. Okay, great. So yeah, I mean, I always welcome pressuring me, okay, on any anything you want from me. As far as I could, I try to meet your expectation or try to overcome your pressure. So thank you for your answer. Okay, I tried to give you guys overall picture of finance as far as I could. I hope you guys, after when the term course is ended, I hope all of you, many of you guys, not all of you, many of you guys are pleased to be taking this course. That's my dream. Okay, so let me ask one more question. Let me ask one more person. I don't know his name, but it says in numbers 408. So my eyesight is not very good. Very short. Yeah, you. Hello, Mr. Hello, Mr.
Hello, my name is Marco. I don't know why. Right now I noticed that I have only numbers there. I don't know why. I'm not sure.
Okay. Hello, Marco. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
From Slovakia.
Oh, you're from Serbia.
Slovakia. It's also in
Slovakia.
Europe.
Slovakia. Okay. Sorry, Slovakia.
No problem.
Slovakia. Okay, great. Nice to meet you again. So
Yeah, nice to meet you.
yeah. So what do you expect from this course, or do you have any reason to studying corporate finance?
Yeah, so what do I expect? Basically, I hope to have a better understanding of the financial side of the corporate structure. And I mean, yeah, my course was so semi-mandatory. So yeah, I somehow had to take it because this is part of my like field of study in my home school. And yeah, for my like personal interest,
Sorry, you're on mute. Hello, Marco.
yes, I know. I don't know why I did mute. So as I was saying, this part of the courses will part of my like field of study in my home school. And from my like personal interest, I'm hoping to have a better understanding of like some financial parts, for example, like the venture capital firms, and so I can include it into my like goals what I'm trying to in the field what I'm trying to work later. So yeah.
Okay. Okay. Good. Thank you very much for your answer. Okay, so you have some personal interest in venture capital?
Yeah, mostly like finance, like especially like the cryptocurrency space, which is really flooded with like venture capital firms, and I'm pretty sure to have a better understanding of the newer space, one has to study the traditional space and then implement it.
Right. Yeah, actually, yes, the finance is also evolving as the technology is changing the world. So, for example, cryptocurrency is based on the blockchain technology, right? So, first of all, we need to understand some basic understanding of what blockchain technology is about. Then you may have a more understanding on what the cryptocurrency. These days, cryptocurrency's value of cryptocurrency is falling down. But anyway, yeah, I tried. We may have a chance to talk about a little bit about the venture capital and the cryptocurrency and NFT or some other some so-called new new finance, so-called fintech, right? So may have some chance to talk about fintech when it is suitable, right? So okay, I tried to yeah, put some yeah, have some time to talk about. I think many of you guys have interest in this new kind of very broad financial terms, right? Or items, the cryptocurrency, for example. Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you for your answer. Okay, so our textbook is e-textbook. Okay, so I think I already attached the e-textbook in the email, so you may be able to download this email e-textbook. Okay, so if there any problem with downloading the textbook, then just let me know. Okay, so I try to cover all of the parts of this textbook. Okay, because as Martin said and the Marco said, they first of all, I expect many of you guys to have some kind of broad spectrum of the of finance, right? So that's the kind of could be play as a stepping stone into further step in over finance, right? So I tried to cover most of the parts during this semester. Okay. So first one is the introduction to financial management, the overview of financial management, and then understanding financial statements and cash flow. So I don't know how many you guys have already taken some basic accounting courses. So, but if you don't have some basic understanding on accounting, yeah, corporate finance may be a little bit challenging. So is there anyone who haven't yet taken some accounting courses? Marco, you didn't? You haven't?
No, I was actually raising my hand because I was looking for the textbook, and in the LMS, I don't know where to find it because in the LMS I don't see it. Is it like?
Oh, you didn't receive my email yesterday?
I have to check. Sorry if I did.
If you are invited into Zoom, then if you check, then this e-textbook was attached in the email.
Oh, okay. Oh, yes. Okay, sorry.
Okay, so please check out the email I sent yesterday. Okay, to download this e-textbook. Okay, so anyone who haven't yet taken any of accounting courses? Anyone? Don't be shy. Okay, so then just a minute. No one?
I mean, I did only like in Slovakia, like the only basics at my home school. I don't know if it will be any useful in here. So, but yeah, so total basics.
You did it, right, Marco?
Yeah, but it was like just in my home country, so I don't know if it will be like useless or useful here.
Where I think basically the balance sheet and income statement and yeah, the statement of shareholders equally. So changes in shareholders equity. So I think it more or less the same. So this is an accounting class. So what I expected from you is to have some kind of basic concept about the debit and I mean the balance sheet and income statement, other financial statement, and okay, some accounts on the balance sheet and income statement. That'll be helpful during this course. Okay, so then we're gonna look into the valuation of future cash flows. Okay, and then we're gonna talk about stocks and bonds. Okay, stocks and bonds. Maybe this stocks. I think this stock valuation of stocks and bonds as one of the key areas in this introduction to corporate finance. Okay, so I think you need to pay more attention to this. You need to invest a little bit more time on this part. And the capital budgeting is more related to the investment decisions in the corporate world. And the risk and return is also, I mean, all these previous parts are in the end, get down to this discussion on risk and return. And then we want to talk about long-term financing. Long-term financing is related to capital budgeting. So, and also related to cost and return. So, and then we're going to talk about working capital, short-term financial management, and the topics in business finance is about exchange rate. So, I think this textbook covers mostly important areas in the finance. But the one thing there's some missing in this. What is missing in this textbook is some talk about the derivatives, and yeah. So if you want, I'm gonna put some slides on derivatives, like options, futures, forwards, swaps, like that. So I hope I think some of you guys may have interest in those derivatives. So then, if we have time, then I will try to put some topics on related to derivatives. Okay. Any questions up to now? Yanira, sorry, my side is pretty bad.
Are you calling me?
Yeah.
I will rename myself. You can call me Yana.
Yana, okay. Yana, you are from?
I'm from Belarus.
Belarus. Belarus, okay. Belarus, okay. So what's the name of a capital in Belarus?
Minsk.
Minsk. Okay. So you are exchange students from Belarus, right? So any questions up to now?
No.
No? Okay. Okay. So let's move on to this is a slide. This is the kind of a diagram I took out from the textbook, which may show the overall the flows.
You're not sharing the screen.
Oh, sorry. Thank you, thank you. Ah, so then up to now, you just seeing my faces only, right?
Right.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, I forgot that. I think I made you guys very uncomfortable. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. This is what this slide was also attached in the email. Anyway, so any questions about this? Yeah, topics we are gonna cover. Okay, you guys wanna have in the future, and yeah, this is the slide. This is the picture I took out from the textbook and part 1, Introduction to Financial Management. I think this slide, these pictures may give you some kind of hint at the functions and the flows of and interactions of the investors and investees. Okay, so financial markets and the financial market participants. Okay, so because this is a corporate finance, so we are talking about corporations. Okay, so we are talking about finance related to corporations. Okay, not individuals. So first of all, our basic assumption is that, oh, the company has a big ideas, very good ideas of making a lot of money, right? They have technology, they have some kind of ideas, but they don't have money. That's our basic assumption about a company, right? So then they need to raise money. So if you have a good business opportunity but don't have money, then you can raise money by issuing securities. What kind of securities? Stocks or bonds. That is the most typical the securities the companies issue to raise money from financial markets. Okay, so then investors will take a look at all the prospectus of the securities. Okay, what companies is about, what ideas this company has, what products this company has. So then, based on their analysis of the companies which issue the securities, they're gonna buy the securities, investing, giving money. They're gonna invest money in return for securities. I mean, simply speaking, they're gonna buy stock, they're gonna buy shares, they're gonna buy bonds, right? Giving money, I mean, investing money, seriously speaking, investing money in the company, right? So then the company is gonna purchase some assets, some machine, some factory. They want to hire new employees. Okay, so they want to invest money. They want to invest money into some assets, right? Then they want to operate those assets along with their employees, based on their technology, their ideas, right? So they want to generate the cash, right? So then they want to pay some after you're gonna see the performance, right, of the company, right? So then after all the expenses, costs, you're gonna have some profits, right? So then part of the profits will go to government as taxes, or some of the cashes will go to vendors, suppliers, and some of the cashes will go to investors, like in terms in the way of dividends and interest or principals, right? Then if you still have money, any money, if you still have a remaining balance from after paying all the cashes, then you want to reinvest those cashes in your business. Then the companies will grow and grow and further, right? So we are going to talk about, we are going to get into more details into this whole system, right? In terms of the various financial terms and the techniques, okay? So if the company is a newly born one, then they're going to need some venture capital, okay? They're going to need some seed money from venture capitalists, okay? Something like that. So first of all, finance is not just about money, but it's about the opportunities. So if you have a good ideas, good products, and investment business opportunities, then the finance will help you make your dream come true, right? So yeah, it's kind of a very technical process. Okay. Okay. I try to make this course as close to the real life as possible. Okay. So I'm gonna take many articles from this journal, Wall Street Journal. Okay. I'm gonna take many articles from these newspapers, and sometimes I'm gonna take some questions out of the articles, because at the end of the day, you're gonna be investee in the future. You're gonna be either investee or investor and both, right? So you need to have some kind of capacity to understand all the articles. Yeah. In terms of based on your knowledge, so then you can get some ideas, and you can have some ideas of making money, right? So, for example, you guys may invest in the stocks or bonds, right? If you have a good understanding on the articles. So I'm going to take many articles from this Wall Street Journal, for example, and I'm gonna try to I'm gonna try. Okay, just a minute. I'm gonna also take some articles from magazines. I'd like, for example, The Economist, right? So these the articles from The Economist are a little bit difficult sometimes, but just as a matter of the choice of a vocabulary, right? So, but besides their choice of vocabulary, the concept is pretty straightforward. They just, I mean, whenever they explain some idea, they just they don't just go straight. They just go zigzag, right? But anyway, I tried to take some articles from this magazine and try to help you and understand better what they are really talking about. Yeah. So I hope, yeah, this magazine will help you understand finance, especially this area, this section, finance and economics. Okay, so actually the order of the slide is a little bit, yeah, not good. So this financial markets basically, for example, the stock exchange, right? For example, Hong Kong Stock Exchange and German stock exchange, Frankfurt Stock Exchange, and New York Stock Exchange, right? So this is a financial market, for example. And I hope you guys, if you have a chance, to watch some the YouTube videos related to finance. For example, Yahoo Finance or Bloomberg or CNBC, right? But it doesn't matter whether you can really understand what they're talking about, but just to try to make you familiar with their approach, with their interest, what they are trying to talk about, and yeah, just to listen to what they're talking. So then at some point you may be able to connect what you are learning to what they have said during the interview or whatever, right? So try to connect yourself to the real-time world, okay? I'm not gonna take any. Sometimes I'm gonna take some interviews from these YouTube videos if their interviews related to topics. So I hope if you guys are serious about finance, or if you guys really interested in finance, then it'll be better. It'll be okay. It'll be much better to watch these finance related YouTube videos, real-time videos. Yeah, that will help her. Okay, this is my suggestions. Okay. Okay. We have about 20 minutes, 10 minutes. So at the end of the day, after studying finance and graduating from college, you may want to have some career in finance, maybe other areas. But if you want to have a career in finance, then there are some choices like investment banker and portfolio manager and securities trader and financial analyst or manager, in a corporate world. So investment banker is mainly related to the merger and acquisitions, right? Or raising capital, issuing here. Firm issues security in this process. The investment banker will get heavily involved. Okay. And the portfolio manager is more related to investment. So if you trust some money within a portfolio or management company, then portfolio manager will manage your money to grow, right? Try to manage it, grow your money. And securities trader is a securities trader will closely work with the portfolio manager. Okay, so they are in a same group, some sort of group. Yeah, in some sense. And the financial analyst is also work for portfolio manager, or sometimes the financial analyst may work for a company, or maybe investment banker, right? So an analyst, a financial analyst, or you can be work as a financial manager in a corporate company, corporate, okay, corporation, multinational corporation, or local company, because every company needs a finance manager, right? Obviously. Okay, so but after graduating, if you want further have a further study in finance, then you may go to some take some master's class, a master's degree. For example, in the UK, London School of Economics, which is very good. For other companies, other universities as well in your country and other countries. Okay, you can take some further. You can take further study, or you may go to the business school, right, to get an MBA degree or whatever. So then you go to this build up this career. Or you can take some credentials like the CFA. Have you guys heard about the CFA? Elaine, sorry. Atalina? Atalina?
Yes, Professor.
Atalina is correct pronunciation?
Yes, Italino.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So you are from?
I'm from Russia.
You're from Russia. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So
Nice to meet you too.
have you heard about the CFA?
Yes, I have.
So how did you get to know about CFA?
I heard that it's like a requirement to become a financial analyst, or usually it's like a big advantage if you have it for applying to job positions in finance.
Yeah, exactly. So the CFA program, thank you very much. Yeah, so nice to meet you again. Yeah, CFA program is if you want to have a career in the finance world, then this credential, this charter holder would be really helpful, because this is not very deep, but much more detailed, and it covers many areas, covers most of the finance areas, a little bit broadly. So this takes 3 levels, 1, 2, 3 levels. Okay, so this is level 1 courses. So if you, I'm not sure if anyone of you has taken already CFA exam and passed the level 1, but if you have not, then I hope you guys take CFA. If you are interested, take a CFA exam and try to in the end get to become a chart holder. So if you look at level 1, then you can see it. Okay, quantitative method. This is more about statistics and economics and financial reporting analysis. This is all about financial statements, and we also cover corporate finance a little bit, and the portfolio management, equity investment, fixed income bonds, and derivatives, alternative investment. So I think this program is going to give you more kind of a little bit more deeper, give you a little deeper understanding on the various areas of finance. Okay, so I expected it. I told you this first class will be a little bit short, but it's almost full. Okay, so imagination governs the world. This is from Napoleon Bonaparte. So don't limit yourself. Okay, don't limit yourself. So I hope you guys to make yourself beyond the sky. So yeah. That's all I can say in this first class of this course. So imagination governs the world. So yeah, have a big dream. Okay. Any questions? Any questions or suggestions, whatever? Sorry.
Yeah, I got some questions. But they are mostly about the grading structure of the grades or the grading process.
Sorry.
I don't know if you were talking about it, because I had some issues. I joined a little bit late.
I think. Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, because I don't know what is the structure of the grades, or if it's mentioned in the syllabus.
Yeah. Sorry, I don't know if you guys had a chance to look at the syllabus, but we're gonna take 3 exams, 2 midterm exams, 1 final. Okay. All of them are written exams, and then the 20-20-40%. So 2 midterm exams take 40%, and 1 final exam take 40% in your total score, total credit. Okay, and the 20% is your attendance. Is that enough? Is it okay?
I'm sorry.
So okay.
I don't know if it's only on my side, but
okay, we are gonna take 3 exams, and 2 midterm exams, 1 final exam. You understand? And each of the midterm exam take 20%, and the final exam will take 40%. The rest of 20% is your attendance. Understand? Marco?
I'm sorry, I don't know if it was in my computer, but like the whole internet crashed. So I
Okay, so
basically didn't hear
I'm gonna
anything.
send
I'm so
I'm gonna
sorry.
send you
But
Please
syllabus.
check
the
the
connection
chat.
was unstable, and I don't know if it's just on my part or if other people have the same issue.
Okay, I'm gonna send you syllabus.
Okay,
So as some of you guys
and-
may have, okay, we still have time. Marco, we are gonna have 3 exams.
It doesn't work for you.
Okay, I'm gonna send you syllabus. Okay, so you can check out how the grade system will be. Okay, so Marco, I hope you guys receive my email and check out the grade about grade. Any question?
Yes, I have a question of what system are we going to use, because we have smart system, but it is empty.
Empty? What do you mean?
Like we have smart system, the Stockbridge website with all the information, like with courses, where the syllabus should be uploaded and lecture slides and so on, but it is empty.
Oh, okay. So I'm gonna upload some syllabus and other contents. Okay, so that's what you need.
Yes, like because we follow the schedule on the smart system.
Okay, so I'm gonna check out. I'm gonna visit the smart system. Yeah, smart system, especially LMS. Okay, so then you're gonna find out some information about this course. Okay, including syllabus. Okay. Any other questions?
Professor, is it fully online class?
Is it?
Fully online class?
Yeah, this is only online class.
Okay, thank you.
Marco, you have questions?
Yeah. So I'm sorry. I don't know. I had some connection issues, but now I have seen the this grade structure. But the question is, so obviously when A is 100%, but I want to ask, what is the lowest threshold to pass the class? Is it like 51%, or I don't know how does it work in here?
Okay, I try to give that information as well in the smart system or through email. Okay, no problem.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Paulina? Yeah, you have a question?
Yes, sir.
Paulina? I can hear you you sound very.
Am I audible right now?
Oh, yeah.
Professor, right now, LMS is not for your name. It's for name of Professor Swanepoel. So
Yeah. I'm sorry about that. This is kind of administration issues, but yeah, that's correct. That's the right place to check out this course. Okay.
okay, so materials will be there.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, great, thank you.
Yeah, sure. Any questions? Because some of you may have some next class, right? So I need to end this class right now. at least 2 or 3 minutes earlier. Okay, so I'll see you this Thursday. Until then, have a good day. Thank you.
Professor,
Bye-bye.
excuse me. I have the personal question.
Okay.
So I need to get the sign for the makeup exam. So can I come to your office? If you're in the Stockbridge now.
I'm not in.
Yes.
I'm not usually in the office. So if you have any questions, if you have anything I need to do you a favor, then just first of all send me email. Then I try to talk. Have some time to talk with you.
Okay.
Okay, great. Okay, see you.
Professor,
Okay.
have you to send the ebook to the email?
Yeah, I have already attached this ebook in the first email sent to you guys. So if you haven't received, then just send me email. Okay, then I will send again.
Oh, I received it, but I cannot open it.
Oh, okay. So I will send it again.
Okay, okay.
Please send me email. Okay.
Yeah, okay, I have sent it.
Okay. Thank you. See you
Thank you.
Thursday. Bye bye.
Thank you, Professor.
Thank you. Bye bye.